Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need to confirm eligibility right away. Check whether you have 1,000 subscribers and either 10 million public shorts views in 90 days or standard monetization thresholds. Once done, enable channel monetization and complete identity verification. This unlocks review lanes. Then begin uploading vertical shorts under 60 seconds, optimized with strong titles and thumbnails so the algorithm can test them. Keep a steady cadence. Consistent uploads build the view history that triggers play button review consideration by YouTube. Now focus on measurable growth. Increase average view duration and audience retention. YouTube rewards longer watch time, so aim for high retention by front-loading value. Make subscriber growth explicit. Promote via other platforms and community posts to accelerate counts. Once your channel meets thresholds and policy checks, open YouTube Studio's Creator Awards section and submit an application for the Shorts Play button or equivalent award. Provide accurate channel details. You'll then enter YouTube's manual review queue, expect verification, and potential additional info requests. When approved, confirm your mailing address and any requested tax or contact details promptly so YouTube can ship the award. If you don't receive approval, don't panic. Check for policy strikes, copyright or community guideline issues, and inspect your view authenticity for spam or inorganic activity. If problems exist, fix them, remove strikes, purge flagged content, and rebuild organic traction. Then appeal or reapply with documented analytics to prove legitimate growth. That evidence speeds manual reassessment and increases your chance of receiving the play button.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.